holy feet of Lord Mahavir and Karnataka Gajkeshri Gotapasri Param Puncha Gurdev Ganesh Lalji Marsa, I vow to mentor of my life, Naukar Aradhika, Param Puncha Pratibha Kavarchi Marsa and Vardhaman Ambil Tap Aradhika, Param Puncha Prafullaji Marsa. Today we are going to know about topic of Abhigraha. What is Abhigraha? Lord Mahavira has taken 13 secret resolutions from the first day of penance. Every day Lord Mahavira used to go for the Gochri in a city of Kaushambi. But after completing 5 months, 25 days of penance, Lord Mahavira's 13 secret resolution was completed by Chandan Bala. Now, first we will see a short story of Lord Mahavir and Chandan Bala. Let us see who is Chandan Bala. Chandan Bala was a beautiful little princess and daughter of King Dadivahan and Queen Dharini. Chandan Bala's parents, Chandan Bala's mother, taught from her childhood days about the virtue of tolerance, renunciation and religious faith. As a result of growing, Chandan Bala decided, took vow of not to marry. Meanwhile, King Shatanik of city of Champanagri, Kaushambi city, attacked Champanagri. In this war, Chandan Bala's parents died and Chandan Bala was sold at the market of Kaushambi city as a female maid, as a dasi. On the way to the Danvaha Seth, saw Chandan Bala. He paid enough money and saved the life of Chandan Bala. Danvaha Seth took Chandan Bala to his home and treated Chandan Bala to his own daughter. But Mula Setani, wife of Danvaha Seth, did not like Chandan Bala. She always hated Chandan Bala. Once, when Danvaha Seth was away from the town, Mula Setani took the opportunity and cutted Chandan Bala's beautiful hair. Then her hand and feet bounded with the iron chain. She was driven into an underground room. She had to go without food and water for 3 days, continuous days. When Dhanva Seth returned from the town, he realized, he sensed the situation of Chandan Bala. He decided to call blacksmith to cut off the iron chain from her hands and feet. And also he gave some boiled unsplit black beans for Chandan Bala to eat, which was kept there for the cattle in a winnowing basket. It so happened, Lord Mahavira arrived in the city of Kaushambi. As per the Jain tradition, Lord Mahavira has taken 13 secret resolution, means 13 conditions regarding foodstuff. After completed 5 months 25 days of penance, Lord Mahavira arrived Kaushambi city. Then, now first we will see in detail about the topic of Abhigraha. To remember this Abhigraha, we, for our convenience, we divided into 4 types. First one is Dravya Abhigraha, Kshetra Abhigraha, Kal Abhigraha, Bhav Abhigraha. First type of Abhigraha is Dravya Abhigraha. Dravya means material Abhigraha. The Dravya Abhigraha related to material. In this, there are 2 things found in this material Abhigraha. First one is boiled unsplit black beans, means उबाले हुए उड़द के बाकुले. Second one, the second material Abhigraha is the boiled unsplit black beans should be in a winnowing basket, means supdi. Thus, let us see. The second type of Abhigraha is Kshetra Abhigraha, means place Abhigraha. Lord Mahavira has also desired about the how place should be taking his while his arms. Means the princess 1 foot should be outside the threshold and 1 foot should be inside the threshold. Threshold means Dahliz. The third, let us see, third type of Abhigraha means Kal Abhigraha. Kal Abhigraha means time. According to genealogy, there are 4 units of or subdivision of day or night, approximately 3 hours for long, 12 hours of the day and 12 hours of the night. So Lord Mahavira has decided to go at the noon time between 12 to 3 pm in the daytime. We can also say it is Tisra Prahar. It has Tisra Prahar. Let us see. Fourth type of Abhigraha. In this fourth type of Abhigraha is 9 points are there in 3 subdivisions. First we see first subdivision related to princess life. There are 9 points in these 3 subdivisions. First we see 3 subdivisions of related to princess life. First one is number 1. The girl must be a princess. Number 2. The princess must be unmarried. Number 3. The unmarried princess must be sold at the market. In these 3 points, we saw the related of princess life. The second type of division, the second subdivision related to princess body parts of the princess. In number 4, we see the princess head must be a fully shaven. Number 6. Number 5th, princess both hands and feet should be bounded with the iron chain. Number 6. The princess should be closed in an underground room for 3 days. These 3 are related to body parts of princess. The third subdivision related to body numbers. Number 7. The princess should have only one cloth on the body. Number 8. Both the eyes should be filled with tears. Princess, both the eyes should be filled with tears. Number 9. The princess must be hungry for 3 days. Let us see. All these Abhigraha of Lord Mahavira were found successful through Chandan Bala. Lord Mahavira accepted alms from Chandan Bala hands. There was a divine shower after 5 months, 25 days of penance. There was a divine shower of flowers from the sky. Then everyone realized the truth of Chandan Bala, of Lord Mahavir 13 secret resolutions. 13 secret resolutions. Chandan Bala's iron chain, her hands and feet were broken miraculously and she regained her beautiful hair. King Shatanik and Mullah Setani begged to be forgiven their misdeeds. Chandan Bala became a first Mahasati and first woman disciple of Lord Mahavir. Being a torch bearer, she was a torch bearer for the mankind, and she ultimately attained the divine knowledge, and the last goal of salvation means moksha. I think you all have understand this Abhigraha of Bhagwan Mahavir Swami. Please like, share, comment and subscribe our Pratibha Vani channel. Thank you.